Welcome back. This is the installation instructions video for the latest tailgate module, which is the 3.0 version for your Volvo XC70 or V70. The module is of course installed on my XC70, which allows me to remotely close the tailgate from the key fob or interior of the car button. And my friend's XC70 lacks this module, which means he has to manually close it. As you can see, I press on the key fob and the tailgate closes. And my friend's XC70, you cannot do it. You have to manually press on the button to close the tailgate, and we're gonna eliminate this problem by installing the latest tailgate module. This is what you're gonna get once you purchase it. Everything you need for the installation. Let's begin. The very first step is to pop out the cargo light and disconnecting the connector. You can use a bone tool or any flathead screwdriver. Then unscrew the bolt under the light. Now the panel can be removed by gently pulling it downwards. It's held by a couple of metal clips. Make sure that they're seated and they're all intact. Unpacking the module, you will find everything included to complete the installation: the module, the harness, and a couple of zip ties. Under the panel you will see two connectors, light gray and a darker gray. We need to disconnect both connectors by pushing on the top and pulling on the connector backwards. Repeat on both connectors. The module wires will be connected on the side which run towards the headliner, which means we need to disconnect them from the roof. To do this, you need to push on this black tab upwards and the connector will disconnect from the roof. Repeat for both of the connectors, just like that. Unfold the module wires. They're color coded for ease of installation, and we're gonna see a couple of colors here: black, white, yellow, and blue. The yellow wire of the module will connect to pin 11 on the connector, and the blue wire of the module will connect to pin 6 of the same light gray connector, just like that. Okay. Make sure to push the module wire all the way in, and then use a zip tie and, as close as possible to the connector, tighten it. This will ensure that it doesn't fall out, just in case of any vibration. Next is the blue module wire, which will go into pin 6. Use another zip tie to secure it to the wire, and you can cut away the excess zip tie. This is how it's gonna look like once you're done with the light gray connector. We use the yellow and the blue module wire. Next, we're gonna move to the darker gray connector. The black wire of the module will go to pin 9 and the white wire will go to pin 10. Let's do that.
Так. И белый.
We did insert the black wire, and now we're inserting the last white wire.
Что-то не лезет слабако. Ты прикинь. О, зашел.
And that's how easy it is to connect the 4 module wires. Now you wanna plug in the module. Once connected, to make it look extra neat, just use another zip tie to fold the module wires, as you can see here. Reattach the connectors to the roof. You should hear a click.
Yeah.
Reconnect the connectors together.
Yes.
And hide the module under the roof liner. Make sure not to remove the protective foam from the module, it's meant to be there. On the next two screens, I recommend that you pause and read it thoroughly, because these are the instructions on how the module operates. Your Volvo could be equipped with an electric power tailgate, or, as shown on this screen, you could have a hydraulic one. So make sure to read how to operate your tailgate with the new module installed. Now we can test the operation. A short click on the tailgate and it goes down. It works perfect. The advantage of this latest version of the module, the 3.0, is that all connections are in one place. You don't need to disassemble the tailgate anymore. Everything is under that panel in the cargo compartment, which makes it very easy to install. Don't forget about the taillights module, which is also available to order. I will put a link right on the screen right now. Take a look if you haven't installed it yet. Now we're just gonna put everything back together, realign the panel and just click it into position. Just push on it all the way around. Don't forget to reseat the weather strip here. Just use your finger as shown in the video. Reinstall the bolt and the cargo light. The module is available to order. Email your VIN to the email address that you can see in the right bottom hand corner. You can also order the taillights module, which will add a nice look to your Volvo. So don't hesitate. I hope that you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit like and the notification bell. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.